A very good morning from Smart Renovation. We are in Jumeirah Park with our super cool client Monica. And when I think about this house, I think about Elegance, I think about an Italian family, I think about this is really the house of Monica and her family. So we are so lucky that today Monica, she can explain her house. Who is the best person that can do is her. She knows, she follows each single step of the job. We were together selecting all the material. So I really want to involve her in our video. Please, Monica, what we've done here.
Well, not me, but you
Together,
actually. What have you done, Cinzia? Something amazing, really. So this is the house of my dreams. Really, I would have never thought to have a house like that. And this is thank you to Cinzia and her team. So the house was completely renovated. Cinzia, finally I can show you the house. It's finished, it's decorated thanks also to all your hints. We had decided to go on.
You want to go a little bit around?
Yeah,
what do you think?
Go, yes. So as you can see, the color is mostly white with some sprinkles of colors like blue or Tiffany blue. Maybe some green to take from the garden also.
When we will show the powder room, you will understand why she's mentioning Tiffany.
Exactly, yes. So Tiffany is one of my favorite colors, if not my favorite color, together with light blue. And white, I think it's probably the best solution if you want to have a sensation of peace, relax. And this house, which I loved, and when we decided to buy it, it was also because it's so like separated from the world. It looks like an oasis, yes, where I can really be myself and be relaxed. Was really like what we did is the completion of what this house was meant to be. So we decided with Cinzia, even if it was quite a struggle, right, Cinzia, because I'm quite a picky client. So
all our clients.
Yeah, I mean, I really want, when I decide on something, it's because I fall in love with it. So I wasn't sure about the floors. We have been going around. Cinzia is very patient.
No.
So she has
because
followed
at the beginning
me.
she came with the idea of tiles looking good that in my opinion was not really perfect for her. So it's not, I mean, first I'm not a really big fan. Second, I knew that she's more glam than what she was telling me. So I said, no, Monica, this is not your floor, this is not your floor.
Yes.
So, and we went around, and what I like about this house, because normally white is a cold color. So she was able, with all the decoration, with a touch of color, to make this house even warm, because she lives here with a family. So she's a really family-oriented person, and I like the fact that, okay, glamorous, okay, but still should be a house where even the husband and the son, they are together to stay here.
Yeah, so what I want to say really is how Cinzia really directs you in the right direction, because maybe you think that you know what you want, you have an idea, and you decide, I want that. And she was very strong in telling me, Monica, this is not right for this house. You have to change your idea to put the wooden tiles here. You have to think about something in porcelain. So I was a little bit like, okay, I think Cinzia knows what she's talking about.
At the end, she said, okay.
Okay, Cinzia, I will do what you're saying, but I want to find the perfect tile. So first of all, we selected a very big tile, which was very difficult to install. And really, I think
this is a sort of travertine white tiles coming from Italy, and there is a little story behind, because before we choose something and then it was not available, and then always don't panic. There is some problem during the renovation. Sometimes from a problem become an opportunity, because honestly, this is much better from our previous selection.
Absolutely.
So, and she find out. So in the moment you are in the direction, you choose the right stuff. So it's just a matter to enter in the mind of your interior and and follow the track. And
Yeah,
this is much better than the
it
first.
was meant to be.
Meant to be.
It was late, and then I said, okay, let's just go and select something else, and they had just
Perfect.
arrived.
Yeah, exactly.
So these tiles had just
Directly
arrived from
Italy.
Italy. So
We spend a little bit time about the floor because, as I said all the time, floor is the one that makes the house.
Yes.
If you do mistake on the
Very
floor, it's
important.
very difficult to fix the interior on top. As in my mind, she's a glamour, she's glam, she's elegant, the way that she dressed, the way she talks. So I was sure that she was not a type of person for a Mediterranean, too much garden house. So
Yes.
this more adapted to her.
So she changed really, yeah, my perspective.
Kitchen color, we select this beautiful touch of blue, is a quartz, and the color of the kitchen is white in collaboration with the company. The furniture, Monica, we decided to keep something that you had already and to paint, because in Smart Renovation we strongly believe that you can reuse what you have, no need to overspend where no need. We choose together this beautiful chandelier that I'm in love with.
Yes.
Very, very nice.
With
Talk about the dining
flowers.
table. Where we bought this dining table?
So this is from Marina Home, and yeah, that's really what I liked. At the beginning we weren't sure it would match with the rest, but I really, it's very important for me to have comfortable chairs, and these were very,
super
yes, very comfortable. So I said, okay, let's go with this one. I'm in love. So
the major job has been done here, the window. So we changed completely the window. If you can see here, it's very thin, modern new window, and this is a picture window. So the amount of lights that enter in this villa, it's incredible. Plus, staircase, Monica, what we have done?
yeah, so here Cinzia had the idea to put this big mirror to enlarge the
to
house.
close.
So, and to close the stairs. So the stairs here was open. So this is probably one of the first things she told me when she saw the house.
Yeah, because
you have to close
I
here.
never like the idea that you see the
Yes.
staircase apart. It's not a staircase of the
Yeah,
green
nothing
staircase,
special,
something.
exactly.
So it was
better to close it.
just to spend money to
Yes.
renovate.
And I
without-
think this is really making
Huge.
This area very big and very light.
And never be afraid when, oh, close, oh no, I'm afraid it will become smaller. No, actually it's opposite.
Yeah,
This will become even
absolutely.
bigger.
Yeah.
Tailor-made furniture at the entrance.
Yes.
Monica, let's go to talk about the powder room. This is
Ah,
your
yes, so
powder
the
room.
powder room. So this is probably when I decided to renew the house and do a renovation. I said what I want is to do a Tiffany bathroom. That was something I had already decided. So with Cinzia, of course, my dream came true because she was able to help me select the right color. She found these handles, which are perfect, really. I don't know how she
box.
can find these things.
A box always need a ribbon.
Yeah,
So-
ribbon. And then it's funny how I had already bought these in New York, and they fit perfectly. This was like the final touch, and it wasn't. It was a surprise that they were fitting perfectly. And then this one piece of marble also